My mom took the longest time to recover. She took 3 long months to recover and the fever was just not going. हमारा तो काम भी ऐसा है कि मास्क लगाकर तो काम नहीं कर सकते. And coming close to the family is when you need to be most careful. So I usually get into the room and I isolate myself for a while and all of that time.
Good to see you. And now, सबसे पहले, how are you feeling now? We've heard about the stories of COVID. How are you feeling now, and how was it for you?
Well, all good now. Oh, well, yeah. So I got it twice. I was one of those unfortunate ones. But yeah, the second time it definitely came strong and the symptoms came calling. But all good. And I think what was really difficult was that all of us got it together at home. And I was very, very worried about mom and dad especially. But I think somewhere we were mentally prepared. और क्योंकि हम लोग mentally prepared थे और थोड़े ready थे, I think we could tackle it better than others. You know, we had our doctors ready, we had our basic medical kits ready, so all of that was in place. You know, we didn't have to really hunt for oximeters at the last minute, nothing of that sort. So all of that was there. I think वो भी इसलिए था क्योंकि मेरा एक first experience हो चुका था. So yeah, we are all doing better. In fact, my mom took the longest time to recover. She took 3 long months to recover and the fever was just not going. So yeah, we've just had like this tough phase, but I'm glad we are all out of it. And I think it's also the love that we've received from everyone. So many wishes came from everywhere. So I just want to once again thank you everyone. And yeah, it's all good now.
अभी किस तरह के प्रिकॉशंस ले रहे हो आप? जैसे कि हम अभी बात कर रहे थे कि हैंडशेक करना भी हम कभी ऐसे we think twice before doing that.
Well, I'm not yet vaccinated also, so but क्या करें, अब बाहर हैं तो I have also 3 months. So in fact, just today I got that antibody test, and once your antibodies drop below 0.8 is when you can get vaccinated. So I have gotten back to work and obviously हमारा तो काम भी ऐसा है कि मास्क लगाकर तो काम नहीं कर सकते और सेट पर भी it's difficult. मतलब सबसे proximity, it's a closed set, सब यूनिट होती है तो difficult है, but of course you need to get back to work and धीरे धीरे it's the new normal is what it is. So I guess you've just got to take your precautions, wear your mask, use your sanitizers as often as possible, and especially when you're getting home and coming close to the family is when you need to be most careful. So I usually get into the room and I isolate myself for a while and all of that I'm doing. So jo ho sakta hai basically, practically is what I'm doing.